Marken, are you tired? Very tired. How many kilometers imong giwalk? 2. 3 maybe? So where are you now at? Hotel? Akasaka. Yokohama. Yun, nag-check-in na si Father Marlo. Near Ike lang tong ano, hotel na to. Maybe. Wait for Papa, nag-check-in pa si Papa. Dito kami mag-stay ng 2 nights. Sa Yokohama. Marken is patiently waiting. Check-in na ka, boss?
Hotel Maestes Yokohama, guys.
For 2 nights, how much pa?
Check-in na tayo.
Toothbrush, towel. How much ang 2 nights, Pops? Almost 30,000 yen?
Almost 30,000 yen. Nimang kyoseng haku goju yen.
2 nights na yan.
2
Mura na.
nights.
Including breakfast.
Including breakfast to 2 days.
And time, check-in time is 2 p.m. Check-in.
3.
At 3 p.m. And check-out is 11 a.m. So, mas okay dito.
Order namin, guys. 7-Eleven, guys. Ito yung breakfast ticket namin, no? Breakfast ticket namin for 2 days. Tawaran na daro. Okay, guys. Pagkatapos ng elevator, may ano dyan, may window machine at saka tubig.
May water. May
Dispenser.
alcohol.
At saka ito na yung kwarta namin. 7-Eleven. Tapos guys, ito na lang. Touch lang to.
Touch to hit.
Wala mo green. Okay.
Guys. Bag na pink.
Charge my phone here.
Yay.
This is better than the other one, honestly.
Ya, asa man ka diri, di man ta kaigo.
Where's the oil?
Kaigo
I'm
din ka
gonna put
diri.
this right here. And then here, instead of filling the plug. What's in the back?
Guys, may ano pa rito guys, yung bolt.
Oh! Yeah, baby.
Ito bolt guys. Nalagyan na ng pera mo dyan.
The food? It's safe.
Volt dati.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna put my Pokemon cards in.
Okay, mapahuway sa sila kay Gipangkapoy. Ta si boss oh.
My feet finally.
3 kilometers ang gipabaktas ni boss amo ah.
Yeah, I took boosters.
O gato kog banglaan kami.
Wait, Pa,
Nangita na siya sa iyang hotel.
where's my
O
charger?
very dool ra kayo siya sa Iki. Mabaktas ka
What's
pod.
my charger, Pa?
Marken.
Hello, I'm looking for my charger.
Ani ni salog si Marken ron.
Ha? Well, I cut the thingy up, maybe.
Malakaw ka?
No, I don't want to go.
Say bye na. Bye.
Bye.
Boss.
I'm just gonna eat today's fish dish.
Dili ka ni? Hotdog?
Oh, yeah, a little bit. What's that name?
Gamay ra pa ba si
What's that name?
Chicken.
A pig. Oh, wait.
Chicken na chicken.
Fish na, fish.
Fish na aris tinalong nakabuti.
Ikaw ka ni? Hotdog dili.
Wait. What's this?
Morning.
Okay, breakfast na kami.
Breakfast na,
Breakfast guys.
Free breakfast to sa hotel na. Stay nga ni Marlo. Sabi ho day, Paps. Kay Marken, no?
Sanoshi.
Murag na aman ay sos kang dudong ba?
Yeah, maybe it tastes weird.
Luit, luyan. Luit pa?
Wala ba dito sa beside niya? Wala ito dito?
Scrambled eggs. Meatballs. At pasta yan. Pasta. Rice. Salad bar. Tabi huday. Buffet yan. Buffet. Yan. Yung pad. Mga spread. Margarine. Orange. Blueberry jam or strawberry jam. And this is miso syrup. So how's the food pa?
Good.
Good?
Ito yung ka ng breakfast nila rito guys.
Good.
Look at that boy, oh, always eating pa because ito yung
Oscar.